Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of the Yaber T2 Plus Portable Projector. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, display, battery life, all of its pros and cons, while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here we go. When it comes to unboxing experience, inside the retail box of the Yaber T2 you will find a quick start guide, a power cable, a HDMI cable, a cleaning cloth, the Yaber T2 projector, a remote, and if you got the Yaber T2 Plus, then you will also get the Yaber Google TV dongle along with it. So first of all, let me tell you that the Yaber T2 and T2 Plus are exactly same projectors. The only difference is that the T2 Plus comes with a Google TV dongle and a compatible remote control. Everything else is exactly same on both Yaber T2 and T2 Plus. Talking about the design and build quality, the Yaber T2 Plus looks very beautiful and premium because of its minimalistic design aesthetics. The build quality is pretty solid. It is dust proof. The combination of the soft textured plastic and the fabric along with soft rubber on the handle looks beautiful and feels very premium as well. We got heat grills for ventilation and heat dissipation. It comes with a cap to cover the projector lens for better protection, and the handlebar can rotate at multiple different angles. You can even use the handle as a kickstand for your Yaber T2, and it is especially useful if you want to project the content on a wider screen. But the use of the handle as the kickstand is quite restrictive, as you get just few options at different angles to use it. At the bottom of the front side, we got some sensors that contributes in the auto-focusing and auto-keystone correction while using the Yaber T2. At the top, we got the Yaber branding, a power button that glows and looks beautiful, and right next to it, there is the NFC area. On the back, we got the LED indicator for the battery, reset button, a USB Type-A port, one HDMI ARC port, a 3.5mm jack, and one RJ45 port. So in terms of connectivity, the Yaber T2 is quite feature rich. It would be great if a USB Type-C port was provided as well. The Yaber T2 weighs 2.4 kilograms, so it is quite lightweight and pretty portable as well. And because of the provided handle, you can easily carry it anywhere. And since it comes with built-in battery, you can carry it along with yourself to use it and watch the content anywhere you want, even without the power connectivity. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, the Yaber T2 or T2 Plus is one of the most beautiful and premium looking portable projector currently available in the market. One of the most highlighted feature of the Yaber T2 is that it comes with two JBL powered speakers with Dolby audio support. So the audio quality of the Yaber T2 is quite impressive. You get nice audio output while watching movies, and if you want, you can even connect your smartphone with the Yaber T2 to play music on it, as it can also work as a Bluetooth speaker. The built-in battery is also quite large, and you can enjoy 2.5 hours of movie session, and you can play music up to 18 hours as Bluetooth speaker. It is once again way better than other portable projectors available in the market in the same price segment as well as in the higher pricing. Talking about the projection and the display quality, the Yaber T2 or T2 Plus comes with 450 NC lumens brightness along with 1080p resolution. So the projection quality is really nice. It is one of the brightest in this price segment. It is very sharp, and you get the option to select from 40-inch up to 120-inch display using the Yaber T2 or T2 Plus. So it does not matter what kind of content you are going to consume on Yaber T2, you will be happy with the display performance for sure. The display is very bright, it is pretty sharp, and the colors are very well saturated to provide a nice visual experience. The Yaber T2 and T2 Plus come with the automatic focus, the auto keystone correction, obstacle avoidance, as well as the screen alignment. So it does not matter what kind of surface you are going to project the content, the Yaber T2 Plus will automatically adjust the focus and the screen alignment to provide a perfectly aligned picture for you. You also get the option to manually correct the alignment or change the focus if you are not happy with the automatically performed focusing keystone correction or the screen alignment. Talking about the software side, you get multiple options to have a nice user experience on Yaber T2 and T2 Plus. For example, you can select the picture mode, you can select the color temperature, brightness of the projection, the zoom level of the screen, as well as the aspect ratio on which you would like the projection to work. Under the sound setting, you get the option to select between the standard music and the movie mode, whether you would like to get the key tone and in what format you would like to get the audio output. You can also upgrade the software of your Yaber T2 and T2 Plus from the settings. Using the screen share feature, you can connect your smartphone or tablet with your Yaber T2 Plus and you can mirror the screen of your smartphone or tablet to watch it on a bigger screen with the help of the Yaber T2. And since Yaber T2 and T2 Plus come with the NFC feature, it is really easy to connect and mirror the screen of your smartphones on this projector. You can connect a USB device to access the content from it. It also comes with the WPS projector that allows you to watch the documents on a bigger screen with the help of the WPS Office. You get the option to select the wallpaper screensaver for your Yaber T2 Plus display and the user interface, and as you can see, it comes with plenty of options for that. You can use the quiet mode that reduces the brightness and speed of your fan to provide a quiet user experience. And as I have said earlier, you can use the Yaber T2 and T2 Plus as Bluetooth speakers as well. So you can access the content on Yaber T2 either via HDMI or using the screen share feature or connecting a USB device. And if you got the Yaber T2 Plus, then you will also get a Google TV dongle that you can connect with the HDMI port of the device, and then you will be able to access thousands of video streaming sites, games, etc. on your Yaber T2 Plus. So you can use YouTube, Amazon Prime, Netflix, you can use various music streaming services and download and install thousands of applications and games on your Yaber T2 Plus to enjoy it on a larger screen. The Yaber Google TV dongle is also quite nice and comes in the same color accent like the rest of the body, and it looks beautiful and does not add much bulk to the overall design and aesthetics of the Yaber T2 Plus. So overall, the Yaber T2 and T2 Plus are the best portable projector in their price segment, as the design and build quality is really beautiful and premium. The display quality is brilliant, it is super bright, the built-in battery performance is quite impressive. The two JBL speakers with Dolby audio support provide a very nice theatrical listening experience, and advanced features like the auto focusing, auto keystone correction, auto alignment, etc. provide a very nice overall user experience. So if you're planning to buy a high quality and premium looking portable projector, then the Yaber T2 and T2 Plus are the best options for you for sure. If you're interested in buying one, I have shared the link to buy them in the description of this video. And if you found this video useful and enjoyed it watching, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.